In this video, you are going to see how to blur the background of a video in Adobe Premiere Pro, and that too without using any external plugin. So follow the steps that I'm going to show you in this video carefully to avoid any confusion or errors. First, drag and drop the clip onto the timeline. After that, on the left side, you can see some tools. From there, select the option called the Object Mask tool. Now, when you hover your mouse cursor over the subject gets highlighted like this. In case it's not selected properly, you can manually select it by drawing a rectangle or by clicking the plus icon. By the way, the entire subject is going to be selected, but still there might be some areas that are not selected properly. So you need to be a little extra careful and repeat the process again and again for the best results. And one more thing, you can change the highlighted color from red to any other color from this drop down menu. Once the selection is done, head over to the effects control panel. There you can see the unassigned mask section. Here under Object Mask, select the Track Forward option so that Premiere Pro automatically tracks the subject. Depending on your system configuration, the tracking time may vary. If the masking is not tracking properly during this process, you can stop in between, select the area once again and repeat the process. If your video contains a lot of minor elements like hair or moving clothes, you might notice more errors. So be careful and mindful while doing this. Once the mask tracking is completed properly, click on the object mask and then choose Change to Opacity Mask. Now only the subject will be visible like this. To bring back the original background, simply duplicate this layer. Next, for the bottom layer, disable the object mask under opacity, or you can delete it completely. Now here comes the spicy part, adding the background blur. Go to the effects panel and search for the camera blur effect. Drag and drop this effect onto the bottom layer where we disabled the mask. Now you can control the amount of blur you want for the background by adjusting the blur percentage. I want to add one more important tip here. Select the top layer, the masked layer, and under object masking, increase the feather value slightly. This helps the edges blend smoothly and removes those harsh outlines. And that's it. This is how the footage looks before, and this is how it looks after adding the effect. This is how you can blur the background of any video in Adobe Premiere Pro without using any external plugins or effects. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and also subscribe to this channel for more Premiere Pro and YouTube related videos. My name is Rajs and you're watching Rajs Creator Catalyst. I'll see you again in the next video.